chose to click this video. Don't blame me for what you're about to see. Tonight's horror, well, it hits close, very close. Let's begin.
The snowstorm came fast. Walls of white snow were swallowing the highway. Inside the Midnight Pump and Diner, Nicole worked the graveyard shift. It was a bad night because it was a terrible snowstorm and blizzard forming, and she picked the graveyard shift because she liked the quiet and the stillness of the night. 6 truckers came along this night. They sat inside and had to stay a while because they were stranded because of the terrible snowstorm. They started sipping lukewarm coffee and, with sorrowful eyes, watching the blizzard bury their trucks under the snow. Some of them were loud and rude, but one of the truckers, called Jack, seemed harmless. Besides Jack, they all tried to hit on Nicole, but she smiled nicely and told them, "I'm not like other girls, trust me." The truckers laughed, said whatever, and continued drinking their coffee. Then at 2:17 a.m., Doug, one of the truckers, goes to the bathroom but never returns from the bathroom. Nicole went to check on him but found him sprawled in the hallway. What was left of him? His body was torn wide open, his spine gone. But oddly enough, there were no tracks in or out from the truck stop, no broken windows. So the question is, who came in and killed him? Nicole hurried and locked the doors, but something was already in there with them, and it was hungry. They heard the second scream, found another man, gutted like a deer in the walk-in freezer. Nicole backed into the corner of the diner. Her breath came fast. The lights flickered again. Then she saw it. A man in the corner, too still. His skin, too pale. His smile, wrong. He stood, his jaw unhinged with a sickening pop. A second set of teeth jutted from beneath the first. His arms bent backward. It wasn't a man anymore, and it had killed all the men in the diner. It lunged, screaming, gurgling, tearing. Nicole ran, through the dish pit, past the broken tables. She hid behind a prep station, soaked in blood. And then she heard footsteps. It was definitely coming for her. She backed into the corner of the blood-slicked diner, breath steaming in the cold air, heart pounding like war drums. Nicole was shaking, but it wasn't fear anymore. It was fury. Across from her, the creature towered, a grotesque mass of sinew and muscle. The thing that had worn Jack's skin like a costume. Its jaw now stretched to its chest, exposing rows of wet, saw-blade teeth. Its eyes bled black tears. It roared. Nicole didn't scream. She whispered, "Before you eat me, there's something you should know." The creature tilted its head, confused. Nicole's spine cracked, loud and unnatural. Her arms bent backward, her fingers stretched into claws. Her bones snapped and reformed. Her skin darkened to obsidian gray, veined with pulsing red light. Her jaw unhinged into a fang-lined maw. Her eyes glowed amber like fire. Nicole became something far worse, something ancient. The creature lunged. Nicole met it halfway. They crashed into each other like demons in a cage. Claws raked flesh, tendons ripped. Tables flew across the diner. Blood sprayed the walls. Nicole tore into it with a scream that shook the windows. The creature clamped its jaws on her arm, but she twisted and slammed her head into its skull, cracking it sideways. Its eye burst. She drove her clawed hand into its chest and ripped something black and pulsing from inside it. The monster screamed and died. Smoke hissed from its corpse. Nicole, now slick with steaming blood, stood panting over the body. She looked down at her monstrous hands, and they began to shrink. Bones snapped back into place. Her skin smoothed. Her face returned. Now, fully human again, Nicole stumbled outside into the snow. The world was still, silent. Not a soul left alive. She reached into her apron pocket, pulled out a crushed pack of Newports, lit one, took a drag, and with eyes still glowing faintly, she looked back at the diner. "Told you I wasn't like other girls." She flicked the cigarette through the broken window. Boom. The diner exploded in a fireball, wood, glass, and smoke erupting into the stormy sky. Nicole didn't flinch. She walked away slowly, flames lighting her path, her silhouette glowing against the burning ruin. The snow kept falling, but nothing dared follow her.
Looks like Nicole showed that monster a screaming good time.